LinkedIn Profinder is a great way to find freelance resources to help you with your projects. I'll show you how it works in this video. Here we go. So the Profinder is an option under the work menu here. So click there and then click Profinder. Now you could also register to be a provider for this service as well. If you click here on the drop down, are you a pro? You can actually register your details. But in this case, I'm just going to walk you through how you look for a particular service. So if I'm saying accounting, and let's say get started. You just fill out some basic information. So what do you want? So you want bookkeeping, accounts received, payable. Who is the accounting service for? For sole proprietorship. The size of my business. Turnover. Anything you use currently. You can get ongoing work. You can say within the next month. You can select I only want to work with the accountant in person, add some brief details, enter a location, and then get free proposals. And you'll get 24 hours, you're all set, and we'll introduce you to experts available and interested in helping you. So really straightforward. Again, if you're a professional, you can register here to apply, and that can help generate you some leads directly. So great service either way. I've been Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.